And we're back to learn CapCut in the year day 20. Let us once more go back to our boat clip right here. And I've shown you in the last video we can gradually zoom in using animations here. So at the start position we create a keyframe, 100% scale, we are under video basic. And I go up to here, create a new keyframe, make it 200%. And you can see the boat is not in center anymore. We've had that problem before. I can just left click drag to reposition it. But now here at the start, our entire clip is out of frame. Then we put it back. To solve that issue, we need to also animate the position. And you can actually do that. So you can animate multiple parameters for your clips, even at the same keyframes right here. So I go to start, create a new keyframe for position. Then I use the arrow key on the scale to jump to the second keyframe. I create another keyframe for the position right there. And now I reposition it. And what we've got now is the scaling gradually and also the adjustment of the position gradually. Let's do that once more at the end. I create a keyframe at the scale, 100% to zoom out. Then a keyframe for the position and a left click drag on the preview window to reposition that. Now let me roll the clip. And you can see it zooms in and the boat stays somewhat in center, so it's automatically repositioned with the scaling, and the same goes in the end as well. I'll play it once more, but this time we'll keep the parameters active, so you can watch that in real time. Here the scaling goes up, and the position is adjusted accordingly, so it's a gradual movement of the frame. And here we zoom out again, and once more you can here actually see the bounding box in the end, and it gets repositioned. So you can add multiple animations to your clips at the same time. You could also add here rotation, blend. Every time you see this diamond icon, you can add an animation, and you can add all of them at the same time to the same clip. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.